All right, folks, today we meet the inspector in the rain. We're waiting for him now to come out and take a look at our project, our porch overhang. You see our gabled roof, double beams. We get this passed, we can go ahead and get it closed up. All right, just pulled up to the job site today. We got a rain day. Yeah, man, these days suck. You can't do much. But we do have a framing inspection today, so I'm going to go ahead and walk through everything as the owner. You know, I got to make sure everything's tight, so I'm gonna go ahead and walk through everything, make sure all the bolts are connected, make sure all the brackets are on, so when the inspector comes out, there's no issues, we don't get a fail. I have a very good passing rating, so I like to keep that intact. So we'll go ahead and walk through here and make sure everything's good, make sure the guys got everything connected. All right, so let's keep walking through. All right, so it's raining out here. This is the everyday life of an owner. You know, you got to get out here in the rain, sleet, snow, to make sure your project is tight, because it all falls on you if it's not. So let's go ahead and continue to look through. So we have to make sure we have brackets on every single one, the wood connecting to wood. So we have our rafter ties up, we have our bolts up, everything looks connected. Let's check down here. Oh, where's that? Is that a nut without a washer? Every nut needs a washer. So it looks like one of our guys forgot to put one on there. Luckily, we have one right here. So let's go ahead and pop this off. And we're gonna go ahead and put that back on. Boom. Problem fixed. We have our brackets. We have our brackets. Do we have our brackets? We have our brackets. All right. The bolts right here tight. Bolts, nuts are tight. Got screws in. We got our screws in. Bolts. Check these. We got our washers. We got our washers. Our guys need to do some cleaning up, tidying up on this job site too. I think they worked a little late and got rained out yesterday. Everything looks tight. There's a bracket on everything. Got a bracket. Got bolts. The rafter ties are in. Ties are in. Oh. Wait a minute. I think we're missing a screw. Yep, just missing a screw. We may get failed for that. All right, let me switch out my drivers, my bits. I'll get that screw in. I'll check on you guys later. All right, folks, today we meet the inspector in the rain. Just waiting on our